Okay guys, talk about a festive recipe. These pavlovas are gorgeous little white mounds of snow with red and green pistachio pomegranate. Delicious. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start by separating my eggs. Now I'm going with the 3-bowl technique, and I'll tell you why. Because we're doing 4 eggs, separating, and need just the whites. Like, I'm serious, like we need just the whites. You don't want to risk it by breaking an egg yolk. Bam, that guy goes in there. The yolks will stop the egg whites from fluffing out. Two. Perfect. So our egg whites are separated. All right, so now let's mix it up. I'm just snapping. Once you've got soft peaks, you're going to want to add your sugar a little bit at a time. And then check this out. You'll know your sugar's dissolved when you can rub it through your fingers and it feels smooth. The next step is to add in some cornstarch. This will stabilize our pavlovas. And I'm sifting it in so that we don't ruin all those lovely bubbles that we created with the egg whites. And we don't have clumps either. That's key. And last but not least, a little bit of vinegar. Let's fold it in. So, fun fact, you add the vinegar to help stabilize, and also it makes sure you have a crispy outside and a chewy inside. Bet you didn't know that. This looks primo. Let's get it on our parchment paper, make our gorgeous little dollops, and get it in the oven. So I'm just going to pour a little dollop into each corner, and then I'll even it out after. But it's okay if you make your portion bigger. I just made that rule up. And then go back and just shape them. I like doing little circles and making them smooth on the top. They're like little mounds of snow. Alright, so these are going in the oven at 225 for an hour and 15 minutes. So when they're done, turn off the oven, take a wooden spoon, and stick it in the door. That way you let them cool down slowly. So while the pavlovas have been in the oven, I have seeded my pomegranates, I deshelled and chopped up my pistachios, and some fresh whipped cream. And now I'm going to use a mortar and pestle to squish some of my pomegranates so I have like a nice syrup to pour on them after. I'm going to pour about half of my pomegranate seeds in. The other half will be left over so it's like glamorous and beautiful and they look fresh, but I want some of that juice for sure. So I'm putting about half in. I think they're good. They're ready. They're cool. Do you want to see them? Bet you do. Check these little mounds of joy. Oh, so beautiful. They look like little mounds of snow. So happy with how these turned out. All right, let's get decorating. I'm going to start with my whipped cream. Then I'm going to put over my pomegranate and pistachio. Then I'm going to drizzle some of that sauce. Right? It's going to be good. You know it too. And that is my pavlova, perfect for after a fancy dinner, or after any dinner, or for right now, for me. Hey, I hope you get a chance to make this recipe. Make sure to follow me at Feeling Peckish so you can see what I'm up to. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye. You know. You know.
صلي على الرسول. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد.